मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन। अभी हम लोग इस वीडियो में मिसलेनियस एक्सरसाइज ऑफ चैप्टर 4 डिटर्मिनेंट्स, उसके पहले जो एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हुए हैं उनमें से एक बहुत बढ़िया एग्जाम्पल है एग्जाम्पल नंबर 33, जिसमें हम सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशंस का सॉल्यूशन निकालते हैं, लेकिन जो इसका कोफिशिएंट्स का मैट्रिक्स बनता है उसका इनवर्स निकाले बगैर सॉल्यूशन निकालते हैं। इसके पहले के जो वीडियोस आपने देखे होंगे उसमें सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने के लिए हमने ए इनवर्स निकाला था, वेयर ए इनवर्स इज द मैट्रिक्स ऑब्टेन्ड बाय द कोफिशिएंट्स ऑफ द वेरिएबल्स। बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन we are not going to find a inverse by the adjoint method. For this they have given you two matrices and we have to find the product of these two, and they are saying, see the statement of the question, they are saying use product of these two to solve this system of equation। यानी इस प्रोडक्ट का यूज करके इसको हमें सॉल्व करना है, सॉल्यूशन निकालना है। तो सबसे पहले हमने लेट गिवन प्रोडक्ट इज ए बी, इनको ए और बी सपोज कर लिया। तो ए बी प्रोडक्ट क्या आ रहा है, फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम देखिए आप, -2 -9 +12। फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम 0 -2 +2। थर्ड फर्स्ट रो थर्ड कॉलम 1 +3 -4। so this is first row। Now second row, first column, this is 0, 18 -18, so 0 +18 -18। For second 0, 4 -3। For third 0 -6 +6 -6 -18 +24, 0 -4 +4, then 3 +6 and -8। So this is equal to 12 - 11 1, 0 0 4 -4, 0 4 -3 1 0 0 0 1। It is coming identity matrix। 9 -8 1, that rest are 0, 24 + 24 -24। So the given product is coming identity। Since AB is equal to I, therefore B is A inverse। So only this thing is new in this question, that we have given A inverse in a product form। A into B is given, which will give you I identity, so we will get A inverse as B। Now rest part is same। Now A inverse is already here, this will become A inverse now, second matrix, and this is 1 -1 2 1 -1 2, x is not here, so 0 2 -3 0 2 -3। It means A is the matrix of the coefficients। So after that you have to find the matrix of coefficient, that will be definitely A। You may write directly, since A is matrix of coefficients, therefore given system is Ax equal to, now B is already we have supposed here, this normally we take Ax equal to B for system of equation in matrix form. Ax equal to b, but we have here already supposed as matrix B, so we will take it Ax equal to C. Therefore x is A inverse C, where C is the coefficients, constant terms, 1, 1, 2, constant terms. And what will be x? X will be x, y, z. Normally we take, in previous videos you have seen, x is the matrix of variables. So now we have to get the solution. Only this we have to write B inverse. B is A inverse, which is required here. So x equal to A inverse C, x, y, z equal to minus 2, 0, 1, 9, 2, minus 3, 6, 1, minus 2, and constant term 1, 1, 2. So that will give you the value of x, y, z. Minus 2, 0, plus 2. Second row 9 plus 2 minus 6. Then 6 plus 1 minus 4. So it is 0, 5, 3. This will be the solution. Now we can check the solution is correct or not by putting x 0, 5, 3. 0, 5, 3. 3 to the 6, minus 5 is 1. Now here 5 and 3, 10 minus 9, 1. So it is satisfying. Therefore, solution is x equal to 0, y equal to 5 and z equal to 3. So in this video we have learned finding solution of system of equation with the help of the product of two matrices which are given in the question. Now one more question which is not given in the NCERT book but just similar to this we are discussing here. If AB is 6i or 8i or 5i, in that case what will be A inverse? So if AB is 6i, then we will write A B upon 6 is I. That number, whatever number is coming with identity matrix in the right hand side will be transferred to the left hand side, and now this will become A inverse 1 upon 6 of B. So if the product of two matrices is not directly identity, it may be some multiple of identity. You can take, it may be like this, 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6. So you take it 6 common, it will become 6 into I. Or any number, fractional number, constant maybe k can also come in if some variable is present in either A or in B. अगर यहाँ कहीं पर A और B में कुछ लेटर्स हैं X, Y, Z, K, M, तो वो भी कॉमन यहाँ पर 6 की जगह पर वो नंबर भी हो सकता है. आप उसको डिवाइड करके भी A इनवर्स निकाल सकते हैं. ओके, क्लियर? तो in next video we will discuss about same topic but some more varieties of the question where finding A inverse by some different way, not directly by finding adjoint of the matrix. Okay, till then please work on this topic. Please do some more questions based on it. You can go through the different books and let me know if you are having any query. Thank you. Bye bye.